You ever just book a flight and constantly look at pictures of your destination to the point where you're just fed up with your everyday life? Yeah, me too. Needless to say, I was excited when our departure date came. It was time to create. You ready? Cause I'm ready. You ready? Cause I'm ready. We landed in San Juan early afternoon, but by the time we got our rental and Airbnb, it was fairly late. With limited time, it was best to just explore locally and enjoy the food and sights of Old San Juan. The next day came, and we were super excited to explore the rest of Puerto Rico. The first stop was Playa Mar Chiquita in Manatí.
We are currently at Playa Mar Chiquita. Playa Mar Chiquita. 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 It's so beautiful. The water is so blue.
We found this spot on Instagram through Susa_PR and had to check it out. Despite breaking the GoPro and getting spiked by sea urchins, we had a lot of fun and got some dope content out of it.
So we're at the second spot of the day. We went to Manatí, the first location. It's pretty dope. Ended up breaking the fucking GoPro though. Now we're at the waterfall. There's a waterfall like down there.
After cliff diving for 2 hours, we were super exhausted. We decided to grab some food and call it quits for the day. From San Juan, we drove down to Ponce to meet one of the local models here in PR. We picked up Arianna and went straight to Finca de Guerra.
Today we are in a really awesome sunflower field in Guanica. We got a guest model today. Her name is Arianna.
Very nice to meet you.
We are in our cute little outfits. She looking all cute. We're gonna shoot some good shots today. Coming soon, guys. Stay tuned. Kiss.
La vida es un ciclo, lo que no sirve yo no lo reciclo. Así que de mi vida muévete. Si te llamo es para recordar que te boté, bebé. Yo te boté, yo te boté.